Moving into unity is bodywork based on non-duality for the integration of spiritual insights and experiences in daily life and our relationships. The realization of unity of being both human and divine. Realization means that it becomes real to us when we are truly in touch with it and feel it in all of our cells. Then only it is to become our reality. If we want to know unity, we begin with becoming unified within ourselves. By unifying our total being, including our physical body, we merge with the divine. We want to drown our body-mind knowingly into this ocean of consciousness. When we merge all the contradictions we might have within us, we become one with who we truly are. Many of the meditations we do together with a partner, this partner represents the other, or life, or the world, our complementary half, or anything that will invite us to dissolve the illusion of separation and to truly sense our shared being. The movements are aligning our vertical axis, which represent our divine nature, with the horizontal planes, the planes of relating and of taking shape in time and space. You could say that the vertical reality is that of unity, eternity and infinity, while the horizontal fields are the relative domains of multiplicity, time and space. It is the subtle dance of contracting and expanding, of taking shape, of giving form, and abiding in the eternal bliss of our true nature, which is ever present within and beneath all. Being present in the heart of it all, in the midst of the world, we realize this state of grounded bliss.